welcome back to the channel. In this video, like I said in the last one, I'm going to be working on the sills, and I'll just show you that now. So, sills and the arches, so what I'm going to be working on is possibly cutting this out, putting a new plate in. I could have bought the whole, I don't know what it's called, replacement panel, but didn't really have access to that, so I'm just gonna make a plate up. It's not that much, just need to bend this, get a plate and then bend it so it comes out like this. But I'm probably gonna roll the fenders anyway, so that won't make much of a difference. But what I'm focusing on today is getting a plate, the inner seal. So what I'm going to do, cut away all this and then have a metal plate come down here and then fold and then connect to the bottom of this where the original used to be, and then just maybe overlap it at the very end there so no water can get in. I'm going to focus on doing that, and I'll show you me going through the whole process of doing it. And then once that's all done, we can start working on the actual arch liner, I guess, because that was completely rotted, just like up there. So we still need to cut a bit more out, but then after it's going to be easy enough. Just plate it and then tack it to this here, then seam seal it, and then we should be good. It's obviously not going to be the best, never done anything like this before, but it should last, it should be good. Okay, what I got done, I put a plate on here because it was all rotted, so it's nice and sturdy now. This what, I don't know what it is, maybe like support point or whatever. And then right now I'm folding the new sill I'm making. Just go all along here and then all along here, and then I'm gonna weld it all together. Gonna go fold this now, fold it into shape, and then test fit it, and then make adjustments. Okay, so I've done a bit more welding. Let's see if you can see that. I got made a new like jacking point, shaped out, welded up already. Still gonna weld that there piece up. Done another support piece. I've also shaped the new sill. It did take me a while because I only have the bench vise, but it's shaped up alright. So what I'm gonna do then is weld this up here, weld that there to all that, and then we'll have a brand new sill done. Then I can start working on, well, I don't have the metal for this yet, so I'm probably gonna do that other side then, and then when that other sheet metal comes in, I'll be able to do the inner arch, and do that piece as well. It's all welded up. Got the jack point also there, is still strong. But I was gonna start working on doing this inner piece, but I don't have the metal for that yet. So what I'm gonna do is just go on the other side and just do exactly the same thing. Cut it all out and then put in the new sill over that side. got it all cut out, all the rotten pieces of metal, and then I've plated in a piece in here, and then now this is another piece for the jack point, and also reinforced this as well because it was rotten, so cut out all the bad bits and then put in some new bits. Then I found another few holes, and then anyway, yeah, I've also got the shaped up the new sill piece. Still need to make the lip fit in like something like this, and that piece is gonna just then lip up like that side there. Gonna bend it up so then I can just weld it to the new piece. So I've got the sill in place. It's just tacked in a few pieces there, and then but it fits nicely. So what I'm gonna do now is weld it all up here and then along there, and then it should be good to go. After that, then I can start possibly working on the inside. Got the sill welded up. I'm gonna have to clean it. I'm gonna clean it all up now and then seam seal it all, and then we should be good to move on to the next thing.